Good morning, dear students. In coordination chemistry, in this video, we are going to discuss about the properties of the complex K4MnCN6. Properties, that word here indicate that what we are going to see in this video is what is the oxidation state of manganese, our first question. What is the coordination number of manganese? Nature of ligand, magnetic properties of the complex, then the electronic configuration in octahedral crystal field for this complex. All these properties we are going to discuss. First I write the complex K4 MnCN6. First we are going to determine the IUPAC name of this complex, not IUPAC name, oxidation state of manganese, Mn manganese oxidation state we are going to discuss. 1 potassium 1 plus, therefore 4 potassium 4 plus. What is the charge on the complex? 4 minus. Now, inside of the complex we have 1 manganese. How many Cn? 6 Cn. That is equal to charge on the complex 4 minus. 1 manganese, oxidation state of manganese we are going to determine. Student, listen carefully. 1 Cn 1 minus equal to minus 4. So, manganese 6 into minus 1 equal to minus 6 equal to minus 4. Manganese Mn equal to minus 6 when comes to right hand side we will get plus 6. 6 minus 4 that is equal to plus 2. Oxidation state of manganese is plus 2. If we find the oxidation state, now I write the result also. Oxidation state of manganese, number of electron lost by manganese, oxidation state of manganese Mn equal to plus 2, oxidation state equal to plus 2. Now we write the IUPAC name of this complex, IUPAC name of the given complex. We are going to write the IUPAC name. See the complex starting from potassium. Now I write the complex once again. Our complex is K4 Mn, oxidation state 2 plus Cn6. How to write the IUPAC name? You know very well. Starting from the positive ion, potassium, hexane, cyanide, potassium hexacyanide, kappa C. It is a negative complex. Therefore, the name of central metal ion end with 8. Manganate. What is the oxidation state? 2 in Roman letters. This is the IUPAC name. Then we are going to write the coordination number of the complex. We know what is meant by coordination number. Coordination number is number of chemical bonds formed between central metal ion and ligand is called coordination number. In the given complex, coordination number of Mn2 plus is 6 because all Cn are monodentate ligand. Coordination number of the given complex equal to 6 because all the ligands are monodentate ligand. All the ligands are monodentate ligand. Then nature of the ligand we have to write. What is nature of the ligand? Nature of the ligand. What is our ligand? Cn. So, Cn is Name, next we write. After writing the nature of the ligand, next we will write the name of the ligand. Cn minus is monodentate, 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 weak, not weak, negative ligand, monodentate negative ligand, and it is also a strong field ligand, strong field ligand. Pair all the unpaired electron. Now in the next step we are going to write name of the ligand, name of the ligand. It is an ambidentate ligand, it is an ambidentate ligand. Name of the ligand, it is ambidentate ligand. Cn minus, what is the name? We have to indicate the donor atom also. Cyanido, cyanido kappa-C, cyanido kappa-C. It is ambidentate ligand, ambidentate ligand, ambidentate ligand. Name of the ligand is cyanido kappa-C. Then we have to calculate the magnetic properties. Manganese, first I write the heading. We are going to calculate the magnetic properties. Magnetic properties. What is our central metal ion? Our central metal ion is Mn. The exact half element in the first transition series, which exhibit the highest oxidation state of +7. Manganese atomic number 25, electronic configuration argon 18, 20, 25. Manganese is in 2+ oxidation state. Argon 18, loss of 2 electron, 3d5, 4s0. When you fill all the electron in 5 orientation of d orbital, you can easily find number of unpaired electron. dxy, dyz, dxz, dx squared minus y squared, dz squared. How many electrons we have? 5 electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3d5. So from this we can write number of unpaired electrons, number of unpaired electrons, that is nothing but n value, n value equal to 5. From this we can calculate the magnetic moment due to the presence of unpaired electron. The given complex is paramagnetic in nature. The given complex is paramagnetic in nature. Now we can calculate the magnetic moment. What type of magnetic moment? Spin only magnetic moment. Spin only magnetic moment. Mu s equal to root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. That is equal to n value equal to 5. 5 into 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 7. 7 into 5 are 35. So root 35. If n value equal to 5, the answer starting with 5. The answer is 5.92 Bohr magneton. This is spin only magnetic moment. Then one more point we have to discuss is the electronic configuration in according to octahedral crystal field. The given complex is K4, K4, Mn, Cn 6 times. K4, Mn, Cn 6 times. The d orbital, just now we have discussed it. In Mn2 plus, the d orbital has 5 electron, 3d orbital has 5 electron. All the 5 electrons are unpaired electron. In Mn 2 plus, manganese 2 plus. We have 5 unpaired electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How to fill these 5 electron? In octahedral crystal field. That means ligand field. In ligand field, we have T2G orbital, triply degenerate orbital and doubly degenerate orbital. Here you have dxy, dyz, dxz, 3 orbital, and here dx squared minus y squared dz squared. If you want, you can write the orbital also, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx squared minus y squared and dz squared. How many orbital? 5 orbital. Cn form a low spin complex, that means it paired all the unpaired electron in this ligand field. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore, electronic configuration is T2G5 Eg0. This is the octahedral crystal field electronic configuration of this complex. Okay. So this is the properties of the given complex. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.